content creation actually is not easy, especially everybody wants to see nice things. And so if you don't have all the equipment and the tools that will aid you to create very quality content, then it becomes a problem. But wait, just like you saw in the title, this background here, it's just a picture. This is the actual background. You should see this is the actual background, all right, of me. Okay, I'm going to show you how I put this together. So sit back, relax, and I'm sure this is going to be beneficial. All right, guys, so it's very simple. You need 3 things, or maybe like 2. The first is CapCut, and it's free to download from Google Play Store. So let me show you that it's free. I guess you all know CapCut, and as you can see, I've already downloaded it, and so I can just go ahead and open it. All right, then the next thing that you need is to go to Chrome and search for this website called app.leonardo.ai. okay, what we are going to use this AI tool to do is to generate background images, okay, that we can use to replace our original background. And so it's very simple. It's a text to image kind of thing. All right, so and then the next thing that you need is basically your video, and just film your video in any background of your choice, and then you are good to go. So first, let's look for our background. So I'm going to go to leonardo.ai, and then I just tap on image generation, and as you can see, it brings me to this page where, let me scroll through, and as you can see, I've already use some text to generate some images. All right, so I'm really not going to, okay, maybe I'll do it one more time so you can see. So all of these are images that I generated using text, but before anything, you need to set your aspect ratio. So for example, if you are doing a YouTube video, you need the 16:9 aspect ratio, or maybe you are doing it for TikTok, or I don't know, maybe that kind of, you just need to set your aspect ratio. And to do that, you just have to tap on this settings icon at the top here, and then you scroll all the way down to advanced controls. Okay, and as you can see, my aspect ratio, so I'm going to use this for YouTube, so I just set for 16:9 and I should be good. So I just go back, and here are some of the text prompts that I have already. Okay, so I'll paste these text prompts in there, okay, so that you can also use them. So once you have this text, you can just go ahead and hit generate, and as you all can see, it's loading the images. So let's just wait patiently until it's loaded, and here we go. All right, if you don't want it, you can try and alter the text prompts to suit something that you want. Okay, so as you can see, I generated some, and I think I've downloaded my favorite ones already. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead, but let me show you. To download it, you just have to tap on it. Let's say if this is the one you want, or let me go to the particular one that I want. I think I like this. So if this is what you want, just tap on it, and you see the download button right here. So you just hit on it, and then you see I've already downloaded it, but I'm just going to download it again for the purpose of this video. And here you go, right? So just download it. Freepik also has one, but because of time, I'm not going to go through it. If you want me to do, let me know down below in the comment section. But yeah, basically Freepik AI generation tool, just put your text prompt and you should be good to go. Now once you have that, you can just go ahead and go into CapCut. CapCut is also free to use, and we are going to go on create photos, and we just have to select our photo first. I want it in the HD, so I'm just going to click on add, and this is what we have here now. To add some depth to the background, we need to blur the background a little. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll all the way here and select background, and then I'll select blur. Okay, once I do that, I just tap on the first one to blur the image for me. Okay, so let me just take this. So like you can see, it's just bled. This will be too much, this will be too much, this will also be too much, so I'll just go for this one, which is okay. So I'm going to click on okay to choose it. Then the next thing that you can do is to go to overlay. All right, and then tap on add overlay. Then you go to videos, and as you can see, I have my video here, so I'm just going to select it. This is the original background for my video, and so I'm going to select it in HD because I want you guys to enjoy quality. And so I'm just going to import it. Once I'm done, I'll scale it up a little bit, and then take it a little here. And before anything, I have to scroll this, select the image, the background image that we put there earlier, and scroll all the way to the end of the video. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Oops, it just went past it. All right, and we should be good to go. All right, so once we are done with this, you just tap on your video and scroll down here, and then select remove BG. All right, BG means background, so you're just going to select that, and then you go to auto removal. All right, so once I click on auto removal, boom, there we go. But as you can see here, you can see removing background 6%, 7%. We just have to wait until it has loaded to 100%. Okay, it's going to clean all the edges and make it look very, very good for you. So let's just hold on until this is done, then we can continue. All right guys, so as you can see, it's done and it says background removed. So I can just go ahead and click OK, but I just need to scale this up a little and take it a little to the middle, make sure it's looking good. Yeah, so I think I would love it this way. So let's try play and then see how this works. So exactly what you can see, guys, how real doesn't this look? And so in fact what you see us editing here is exactly what you watched in the intro. All right, so it looks so real, and you can't do away with this. I mean, it works. All right, so once you are done, you can just go ahead and export it. All right, you can just go ahead and export it, and once it's exported, you are good to go. That should be it. So if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and if there is anything you didn't understand, just let me know. All right, and if you feel like this video is good and is going to help a friend, kindly share. If you haven't subscribed, you want to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing family, because we learn every day. So let me play the video for you to see right here, and there you go. All right, so yeah, that should be it. If you think this video is okay already, just hit the like button, just so the algorithm can push it to a lot of people to benefit from this video. If you haven't subscribed, you want to smash that subscribe button to be part of this amazing family.